A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is decoding destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, among billions of galaxies and countless stars, life arises on a rare planet that not only sustains existence but enables awareness. Among millions of species, the human being stands apart, not merely to survive but to reflect, imagine, create and feel. This distinction quietly suggests that life is not accidental, it is intentional. Destiny, then, is not something imposed upon life. It is life steadily revealing itself. Modern science now observes what ancient wisdom intuitively understood, that the human being functions as an integrated energy system. The brain operates through electrochemical signals, the heart through rhythmic electrical patterns, and the body through finely tuned biological feedback loops. Thoughts are not abstract, they are measurable neural activations. Emotions alter hormonal balance. Intentions influence physiology. Inner conditions shape outer movement. Ancient traditions spoke of this as prana, chi, or vital force. Science recognizes it as organized biological energy. When inner systems operate in coherence, efficiency rises. When fragmented, entropy increases. Destiny does not unfold through effort alone, but through the quality and consistency of inner organization. Human life is naturally powered by 5 interdependent energy dynamos: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual depth, and aspirational vision. When these align, action becomes effortless and direction emerges organically. When disconnected, struggle replaces flow. Nature, in its intelligence, provides abundantly for this alignment: air, water, nourishment, sunlight, rhythm, movement, rest, and renewal. Holistic well-being has always been part of the cosmic design, not an achievement to be earned. Life unfolds at the intersection of energy, environment, intelligence, time, and faith in a greater organizing principle. Biology confirms rhythm, physics confirms timing, experience confirms that right action at the right time multiplies impact. The outer world influences continuously, yet the inner state governs responses decisively. Every human being carries an innate capacity for self-realignment. Awareness restores coherence. Alignment sharpens clarity. Inner communion stabilizes purpose. From this stability, inner strength arises. Wisdom to see clearly, compassion to remain human, and courage to act rightly. Faith and trust not only refines this effort of self-realignment, but empowers it steadily. What's the way forward? Destiny need not be pursued. It responds to preparation. The way forward lies in cultivating inner coherence, sustaining holistic well-being, choosing purpose consciously, and acting with steady sincerity. Systems prepared inwardly respond intelligently when opportunity appears. What unfolds thereafter belongs to a higher intelligence, one that operates with precision, balance, and justice, guiding life toward higher orbits of contribution and understanding. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, destiny is neither a place nor a peak, neither status nor possession. It is the continuous unfolding of life, one day at a time, with every sunrise offering renewal and an inner sun guiding action. When duty is performed with clarity, sincerity, and freedom from attachment to outcomes, life aligns naturally. As spoken by Lord Krishna and captured by the revealed Bhagavad Gita, to action alone one has the right, never to its fruits. Let action not be motivated by results, nor let there be attachment to inaction. In this understanding, destiny is not conquered. It is revealed through harmony between effort and grace. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.